Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the world of beauty products and bring you honest, insightful reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're exploring the SUNUV Gel Nail Light 48W UV Dryer with 3 Timers SUNone, a product that has quickly become a go-to for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's dive in. The SUNUV SUNone UV LED nail lamp is an industry favorite, trusted by over 5 million professionals and salons worldwide, and it's easy to see why. This 48W UV dryer is not just about quick drying times, though it certainly excels in that department, cutting curing time by up to 50%. But it's also about versatility and user-friendliness. With its ability to cure a wide range of gel nail polishes, from beginners to professional brands, the SUNone covers all bases. The smart sensor and adjustable timers, ranging from 5 to 99 seconds, make it incredibly convenient for both manicures and pedicures. When it comes to usage, the SUNone truly shines. Setting it up is a breeze, and the removable base is a thoughtful feature, particularly useful for those who want to switch between hand and foot treatments with ease. The 30 LED beads provide a powerful yet gentle curing experience, eliminating the common discomforts of dizziness or eye strain often associated with UV lights. It's clear that SUNUV has prioritized safety and comfort in this design. Performance-wise, the SUNone doesn't disappoint. It consistently delivers salon-quality results, whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting. The curing is uniform and thorough, ensuring your nail polish stays vibrant and chip-free for weeks. However, it's important to mention that, like many UV dryers, thicker layers of polish may require slightly longer curing times, so a bit of patience might be necessary to achieve optimal results. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest strengths of the SUNUV SUNone are its speed, versatility, and user-friendly features. The smart sensor, adjustable timers, and compact design make it a top choice for both novices and experienced nail artists. On the downside, while it's generally very effective, the lack of a mirrored base, something found in some competing models, might lead to slightly less even curing on the underside of nails. Additionally, it's priced a bit higher than some basic models, but the durability and performance justify the investment. Comparing it to similar products, the SUNone stands out for its balance of power and safety. Unlike some lower wattage models that struggle with thicker gels, or higher wattage ones that can be harsh on the skin, this lamp finds a sweet spot. It's slightly more expensive than basic alternatives like the Sun 9C, but it offers enhanced features and a more robust build quality, which can make all the difference in long-term use. In terms of value for money, the SUNone delivers. You're investing in a durable, well-constructed tool that will likely serve you well for years, thanks to the high-quality LED bulbs that have a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. It's a purchase that pays for itself quickly if you consider the cost savings from fewer salon visits. For those concerned with ease of use, the SUNone is as user-friendly as they come. Its intuitive design means you can start using it right out of the box, and the automatic sensor makes it hassle-free. There's also a 1-year warranty, and SUNUV's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, so you can buy with confidence. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support helps us bring more of these in-depth reviews to beauty enthusiasts like you. In conclusion, the SUNUV SUNone UV LED nail lamp is a solid choice for anyone serious about their nail care, from beginners to seasoned pros. Its combination of speed, safety, and ease of use makes it a standout in the crowded market of UV dryers. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home nail kit or need a reliable tool for salon use, the SUNone is worth every penny. We highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in getting the SUNUV SUNone, you can find the link in the description below. If you have any questions or if you already own this lamp, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay radiant, and keep those nails on point.